Let's learn action verbs. He is dancing. She is singing. They are jumping. I am running. Birds are flying. Kids are playing. She is clapping. He is drawing. I am swimming. She is cooking. They are laughing. I am climbing. She is painting. He is reading. He is hiking. He is skiing. He is fishing. Bird is chirping. I am biking. She is writing. He is teaching. She is sleeping. We are relaxing. I am jumping. Kids are dancing. He is kicking. She is texting. They are boxing. We are skating. Bird is nesting. She is diving. He is rowing. They are planting. She is skipping. She is shopping. I am studying. Kid is sliding. Birds are eating. She is baking. He is stretching. They are cycling. I am surfing. He is cleaning. She is driving. They are hugging. We are exploring. She is jogging. He is sailing. He is carving. She is lifting.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.